I'm going to show you two easy ways to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. The first, and maybe the easiest way to control your Wi-Fi connections, is to do it through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see toggles for Bluetooth and Internet. And if yours looks like mine with only a few buttons, you can swipe down for a second time to reveal the full panel of quick settings. The quick settings will look slightly different between different Android phones, but here you'll see a toggle for Internet, or on some phones it's labeled Wi-Fi. If you long press the button, it'll open a window that shows your current connections and lists available Wi-Fi networks on the bottom. Again, visually, this will look different across different phones, but the idea is the same. You can choose the network here that you want to connect to, and if it's protected with a password, you'll just type in the password to access the Wi-Fi. If this is your home Wi-Fi and you're not sure about the password, it's usually written on the bottom of your Wi-Fi router, which is that device that transmits the Wi-Fi signal across your house. After typing in the password, I'm all set. My connection is active, and my phone will now automatically use this Wi-Fi network anytime it's available. Another way to connect to Wi-Fi would be through your settings. I'll open the settings and then go to Network and Internet. And from there, I'll choose Internet on the very top. On some phones, this will be under Settings, Connections, and Wi-Fi. Here again, I'll see my active Wi-Fi connections and available networks. I can tap the current network that I'm connected to, view more details. And I could, for example, disconnect or tell my phone to forget this network if needed. You can also easily share a network with another device. I can tap Share, and then after authenticating with a fingerprint, I can share this Wi-Fi with a convenient QR code. This becomes handy, for example, if you have a friend visiting and they want to connect to the Wi-Fi, but sharing and typing a long password feels like a hassle. You can show them the QR code, they point their camera to the code, and they can connect to the Wi-Fi with a press of a button without having to type in a password. Doesn't matter if they have Android, iPhone, or whatever. And that's how you connect to a Wi-Fi on your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.